Hi, good day. My name's Diana.Eselin, Guaranty RV in Junction City. I'm really excited to show you this new toy hauler that just came in. It's an Eclipse Attitude. It's a 2814 SS. Come on in, I'll show you some features about it. Attitude toy haulers are official toy haulers for the Polaris. They love their toys, so we have a big cargo area here with all the tie downs for all your toy hauler you can put in here. So we have a couple double bunk here. This also makes into a dinette set. This comes down. These chairs pull over here and you can have your dinner here, or it can be your garage. So here we have some nice big cabinetry here and big Jensen flat screen TV, so when you're relaxing after a long day of playing, this is where you do it. Check out the size of this Norco cold refrigerator. It's an 18 cubic inch. Look at the size of that. For the size of this toy hauler, you could bring all your goodies. So if you off-road in it, you've got plenty of space for all your nice things that you need for when you're done riding. So check it out. We have a lot of counter space. We have a double or single stainless steel sink, residential faucet, more cabinetry. We have a hot point microwave convection oven, 3-burner stove, and a little oven under there so you could bake some pies if you feel like it. So let's check it out. Up here we have a Jack and Jill bathroom, so it's easy to get in from the master or from the hallway. We have a nice open shower with a stainless steel sink and a porcelain tank. So here we have the master bedroom. It's a walk on each side, mirrored cabinetry, plenty of space here for closetry. This is a very deep open closet. So this is a nice good sized bed, and you can enter it from either side. Oops. Come on out here and let's show you some things on the outside. It has exterior marine grade speakers with your all seasons package, heated and sealed underbelly, big cargo loading ramp back here. Life's an adventure, take yours in an attitude. This also has a good size awning. Walk through, crawl through storage here, the cargo space. We also have dual 10-gallon propane tanks, so if you're off-road, you've got lots of propane for your trip. Here we have a 5500 Onan Cummins generator. It comes stock, and this is where your battery is. So this one is well equipped, has a battery disconnect switch, so you don't have any drawing when you're on the road. Again, the crawl through space, hot water heater, and your big slide here. So if you'd like to see this attitude or any other attitudes that we have in stock, or any other fifth wheels or toy haulers, just come on in, ask for Diana, and I'll be glad to show you around. Thank you.